Hey, welcome to ArrangeWave. Today we're talking about what happens when you collect all and save. Okay, so I'm going to pull in some samples here. And these are just random samples just for this demonstration. Great. Now I'm going to go and save my work. Save live set. Okay, so when I open up the project folder here on my desktop, I'm going to double click it, open that up, and you'll notice Ableton project info. Nothing in there, and then backup. It'll have one backup because I just saved it again. And then there's my session. If you just save live set instead of collect all and save, you're not saving those samples to your project folder. So if you were to move those samples maybe to another folder or hard drive and then open back up that project, those samples are going to be offline. Okay, now I'm going to collect all and save. And then what should happen is when I open up our project folder, I should have another folder called samples. Click that, imported, and there's all the samples that we've brought in. Something to keep in mind when you're collect all and saving is that it does double the samples. So they're still in the folder that you pulled them from, and now they're also living inside the project folder. So it is harder on your hard drive, but you never have to chase down your samples later. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we should talk about next.